Hey guys, this is Richard from WELSHYTECH. Now, this is a video I'm doing right now. This is just my little intro. This is just to keep you going. Now, this year I've done a full complete computer build. I've gone from an 8600K because it died on me. So I went Ryzen 3600. I've gone for an MSI Pro Carbon Wi-Fi motherboard. It's got 3600 megahertz RAM, RGB of course. It's also, this is my recent upgrade. It is an RTX 2070 from a GTX 1070. I've just literally done benchmarks. I've just done some games. I've run Assassin's Creed Valhalla as well as Watch Dogs Legion. So the Legion is awesome. I can actually see the hell of an improvement with DLSS on. So yeah, now don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the channel, and also don't forget to check us up on Facebook as well at WELSHYTECH. This is Richard from WELSHYTECH, aka Welshy from WELSHYTECH. Goodbye.
Are you ready to lose?
Fucking world blow! Oh my god! Did you all see that monster hit on the stream? Fucking hell! Oh shit! What? That was a really disgusting blow. Place your bets, fight lovers. Here they come. Purveyors of violence and mayhem. They're poised, they're ready, they're wild and unsteady. Get on your feet and let them in. Oh, they're gonna feel that hit in the morning if they wake up. Oh, I can taste the tension in here.
Go on.
Fighters are ready, are you?
Get ready to win.
You better be. Bets are closed and we're ready to run. Oh my god! What absolutely disgusting! An unbelievable blow! Don't know how anyone will come back from that. I want to hear that energy, folks. I want to hear the love and the hate. Get hype. The fighters step into the limelight. Take a look at those faces. Place your bets and strap on. Fuck it. Almost not. Now that's what I'm talking about. Solid strike from a solid fighter. Now that's entertainment. And one massive blow to our fighter. Oh shit! And that's a solid blow there. Well, that's what happens when you're shit. Oh. Winner, chicken dinner. If you're just tuning in, you've got to roll back that stream.
You look like dog.